Do you have accessories like these, but you don't want to carry them inside your Jeep? Then you need an accessory like this. This is the Easy Rack system from Rockslide Engineering, and it mounts to your spare tire in just minutes. And it's a great way to mount extra accessories outside your Jeep, especially those items that you don't want to mount inside your Jeep, like gas cans or a propane tank. Now for our initial setup, we want to grab that ratchet strap and set it topside or handle side down. And then we want to find the end of the strap, and we're going to go through that first slot. And let's get us some extra slack here. And as you can see, they give you a lot of strap there, so it's designed to fit all different tire sizes. Then we're going to go back through that second slot. And then let's loop it down underneath and go into the center. And we can go back out. And then we're going to go through the second slot on the other side and back out through that first slot. Then we're going to go right into the next rack. Now we have the second mounting plate. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go through that first slot. Now to install it, we're just going to set the plates up on the spare tire, and we'll need to adjust them for length. Now you can adjust these mounts in whatever position you want. Again, making sure we have no twists in that strap at all. And then we can just ratchet it down nice and tight. Now they give you plenty of straps, so even if you got 42s, this thing's gonna fit with some to spare. And if you're your final tire size, you can just cut that strap shorter, heat it up with a match or a lighter, just to keep it from unraveling. Now these are still the stock tires, and we're gonna go bigger. So we're just going to kind of fold this all up and then just tuck the handle up. That'll hold it. We could always slip another zip tie in there, but that'll be temporary until we get to our final tire size. Now that's just putting on the base Easy Rack kit. If we want to add some accessories, we want to pop this off. And let's start with some Rotopax mounts. And we're going to use the center two holes. Now back on our spare tire. Now for the propane mount, we're going to use the two outer slots. Now, for those of you who are big Milwaukee pack-out fans, Rockslide Engineering even offers single and dual pack-out mounts, and they're gonna go right to that Easy Mount. Then the last item is the Easy Rack tray. You need to start with the mounts. Now that we got our mounts on, I see a problem right away in that these mounts are not tall enough for this tray to clear that third brake light. So we'd either need to do an extension between them, or we want to relocate that third brake light. But that tray would offer a nice place to carry more gear. So there you have the Easy Mount system from Rockslide Engineering. And as you can see, there's a lot of functionality to it. You can run dual Rotopax. You can run a Rotopax and a propane tank. They have those Milwaukee pack-out mounts. They even have that top tray you can install although you do have to do something with your third brake light. You're really only going to be limited by your imagination and really how much weight your tailgate is designed to carry. So if you've got that factory tailgate and factory tire carrier, you're probably going to want to keep your load fairly light, especially if you've got larger oversized tires. Now, if you've gone to an aftermarket heavy-duty tailgate support and hinge assembly and a heavy-duty tire carrier, well, I could see adding some weight. You can go with that top tray, put some items up there. You could go with dual Rotopax mounts. You could even squeeze that propane tank mount in there. It's really all limited to how much you can carry. So now if you have any questions on these products, we'll drop those down in the comment section below. I'll meet you down there and answer them for you. And if you want to see these products on our website, you'll find links to them down in the description box. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching.